In today's new notebook, we have Dr. Greg Swingle back with us with Arizona Hearing Specialist. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you again for having me.
Yes, of course. So I want to get right into it. May is Better Hearing and Speech Month. Tell us a little bit about the importance to you guys specifically for communication.
Well, obviously, it's we're the hearing side of that, and so it's something that we really like to highlight because people take it for granted. Communication is something that we all depend pretty heavily on, and you don't really realize how much you depend on it until it's missing. So if you know somebody that has hearing loss or speech difficulties, then you know how important it is.
And it is a very exciting time for Arizona Hearing Specialist as well.
Yes, we're actually in our 40th year. The founder founded the business 40 years ago, so we're celebrating our 40th anniversary this year. And we're also actually opening up a fourth location out in Rita Ranch, so we're going to represent in the east side a little bit better.
Congratulations to you guys on that. So, Dr. Swingle, a lot of computers, more and more of them use what we call AI, artificial intelligence. Talk about how that's affecting the hearing side of things.
Yeah, it's I'm just gonna start by saying I'm not an expert in the field of artificial intelligence at all, but what I can tell you is that a computer chip these days, it's pretty much computer chips are in everything, including hearing aids. And so the concept of artificial intelligence is allowing a computer chip to kind of make some decisions and trying to mimic the human brain as close as we can. So inside a hearing aid, for example, it's not just a simple amplify the sound. There's some decisions that need to be made. And so the better the artificial intelligence within a system can be, the better those decisions can be made. You think of a computer at its very basic form is executing a task. So if the user wants to do this, then the computer does that. That's kind of a simple thing. Well, if we can allow if the speed can allow the very rapid decisions to be made and those tasks can be executed so quickly, we can actually start to replicate kind of sort of how the human brain works. But a neural network can actually introduce a few different little levels into this decision process. So much like a human might use different variables to kind of feed into the decision-making process, a computer using neural network can start to replicate that as well.
I mean, it's just an exciting time for hearing technologies.
Yeah, it really is. They're getting better all the time, and the computing is getting so fast, and these decisions can be made so quickly that hearing aids really can try to replicate what the brain is trying to accomplish at any given time.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for being with us once again, Dr. Greg Swingle with Arizona Hearing Specialist. Thank you again.
Thank you.